to the channel. Welcome to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Today we're taking the M3 to go get aligned. Today we're having some actual error messages, and I'll show you the flat tire monitor malfunction. It won't calibrate. We also have a chassis stabilization error message, so we need to get that looked at. So I've done some research online, and I found that one of the major problems with getting these fault codes is your alignment's off. So we're gonna go get it aligned and then let the BMW Gallery take a look and see if that fixes the issue with the tire monitoring and the chassis stabilization. Hopefully that's just a fault. If not, the other one that I've heard is the module for the tire pressures is a module. And what happens is it gets a little bit of moisture in there, and then that causes a fault message, and that causes the same error. So hopefully it's not that, but thankfully the car's still under warranty, so let's go get it up to the BMW Gallery and get it taken care of.
But I'm always tell you twice.
So we're here at the BMW Gallery, about to get the alignment done and checked off. I'm going to show you some in behind the scenes of actually what it takes to do the alignment and the special rack they have here at the BMW Gallery, specifically for lowered cars. So here at the BMW Gallery, we all have moms. Without our moms, we wouldn't be here. So why not surprise her with a special gift from the BMW Gallery? For Mother's Day, they are running a promo where if you book in for a detail on any vehicle, they'll detail any vehicle you want. BMWs, Audis, Mercedes, Toyota, Honda, Hyundais, anything you want, they'll detail it for you. And with that detail, you also get a Mother's Day package, which includes some Sweet Crumble cookies from Sweet Crumble YYC, some handmade soap, and a candle for your mom. Contact the BMW Gallery today to get your detailing package booked in and get your mom a very nice treat. The homemade soap is from That's Natural Soap here in Calgary. So the cookies, the soap, the candles, all from a local vendor here in YYC. So the BMW Gallery is also really trying to promote support local, and so they've done that, which is amazing. Perfect for lowered vehicles. It's built into the ground so that there's no humps or anything to get over, and now they can raise it up and do all the alignment work. So we can see that, yeah, the alignment is definitely way off. So now Connor is going to just make all the necessary adjustments to the rear end and the front, get the alignment back into proper spec so that we're not blasting off tires prematurely, and hopefully that fixes our issues with the tires and fault codes. That is the size of the wrench you need to do the job. There was lots and lots of cursing trying to get those undone in the garage. Big shout out to Powder Works. Got the chrome tips powder coated in stone black. That looks much better. Everything is back within specs except for the rear camber. The rear's too low, so they can't get the camber within the OEM specs. I might look into getting some aftermarket camber arms or rear suspension arms for the car. At this point, I'm not really too concerned about it because I don't drive the car daily and I don't do a ton of driving a year, maybe 5,000 kilometers at the most. So we'll get a little bit of premature tire wear, but other than that, it's not a big deal. So everything else is in line. The steering wheel is nice and straight now going down the road. That's a bonus. The chassis stabilization and the tire faults monitoring, that is gone away. They actually had to recalibrate the height sensors and the steering angle sensor to this ride height. So hopefully we don't have that issue anymore. If we do, we're gonna have to look into something aftermarket of some coating or something else, which we'll probably just go down to see our friends at KDF Imports, Kurt, and see what our options are. But for now, we get to just drive the car and enjoy it, and hopefully we don't have to run into that issue anymore. So let's head home with the beast. There we go. Made her home. No faults, no issues, no codes, no nothing popped up. Just drove nice and straight. Steering wheel's nice and straight. Top notch. I'm happy. Now we can just get out and enjoy the car and show it off. I still am gonna build the front lip and I'm gonna make it a video. I just wanted to make sure I got that done, and because that's the one part that I can't do myself. I can't do an alignment here in my garage. BMW took care of it. Huge thank you to Marty and George and Connor and the BMW Gallery for taking care of Stone and getting it all back to normal. So hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Let me know what you guys thought. Drop your comments below. Show some positivity and love. Have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.